Hello everyone, my name is Muiwa Adedayo. I am a lecturer. I am also an educational neuroscientist, an author of 5 books. This is one of my books that was published in the United States of America. And today I am the director of Edubrenics Africa Consulting Limited. It is a consulting firm, an academic consulting firm, and what we do is to try to carry out research, gather solutions, and try to use mediums like this in order to spread solutions that would help students, that would help learners improve their academic performances, and if there are learners who have some kind of academic challenges, to share insights and ideas with educators, with school owners, etc. Today, as I speak to you, we are currently running what is called a masterclass in educational neuroscience. Educational neuroscience is the #1 factor in global education system, and countries like the United States, United Kingdom, the OECD countries, all are exploring insights from educational neuroscience, and they're integrating it into their educational systems. And that is why academic learning challenges like dyslexia, dyscalculia, dysprasia, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, and other challenges have been resolved. So what we are doing is just to give teachers information that would empower them, and that would empower them immensely as they go about their daily pedagogy. So today's topic that I have for us is titled Dyslexia and Aphasia. How to protect children in school, especially from doing what from contracting or from acquiring what I call not even developmental dyslexia, but acquired dyslexia. But before I go into today's topic, it is important for me to establish my credibility. Once again, my name is Muiwa Adedayo. I've spent close to 20 years both in teaching and in lecturing. And in my foray into the neuroscience and educational neuroscience world, I've been privileged to drink from the deep intellectual wells of professors and Nobel laureates. Individuals like Professor Eric Kandel. Individuals shining light and leading eggheads like Professor Wendy Suzuki, Professor Carol Dweck, Professor Eleanor Magua, Professor and Mrs. Edva Mozart. Both of them are Nobel laureates. They were the ones who discovered grid cells. Professor John O'Keefe of University College London. He's also a Nobel laureate. In fact, he was the one who discovered the place cells. And there are so many other people that have blessed my understanding, or that have contributed to my understanding of neuroscience and educational neuroscience. But because of our time, I would not be able to really make a mention of every one of them. But one other woman, she's the leading, or she's one of the leading lights in dyslexia research. Her name is Professor Sally Shewitz. She's the author of Overcoming Dyslexia and one of the directors of Yale Center for Dyslexia and Creativity. So she was the one who said she in the course of my research for this video, I came across one of her quotes that I would like to say out here. She was talking about dyslexia. She said people with dyslexia have trouble matching the letters they see on the page with the sounds those letters and combinations of letters make. Dyslexia is a neurological impairment. It is one of those neurological disturbances that affect the language system, especially that circuit or the pathways in our brains that are responsible for reading, that are responsible for spellings, that are responsible for comprehensions, okay, etc. So we have this dyslexia is divided into two branches. We have the developmental dyslexia and the acquired dyslexia. In some of my previous videos, I've really talked about different types of dyslexia. I've defined dyslexia, etc. But today's topic, like I said, it is dyslexia and aphasia. Okay, how to protect children, children in schools. So dyslexia is one of the leading academic challenges. In fact, according to studies, that 80 to 90% of academic learning challenges are related or are connected to dyslexia. Then again, Professor David Kimera of Purdue University, has this to say with regard to dyslexia. He said, in simple terms, it is an impairment. He's talking about dyslexia. It is an impairment of the ability to produce, to comprehend, or to repeat language that results from acquired brain injury, such as a stroke, a tumor, stroke, a tumor, head injury, or progressive degenerative disease. He was actually talking about aphasia. Aphasia is also a challenge that affects the language system, especially the pathways and the circuits that are responsible for speech production. For example, as I'm talking to you now, it is because nothing has really affected the left side of the brain is known as the language dominance area. It is the location of the language. That does not mean that the right part does not play a role in the language. It does, but the vast amount is dedicated to the left hemisphere. So patients who suffer from stroke, at times this thing affects their left hemisphere, and the process it damages some circuits, it kills some cells, and this hinders effective and coordinated speech production. So back to dyslexia. Do not forget, I've said there are two types. And based on my research, I realized that acquired dyslexia can be, there are some factors that might result in acquired dyslexia. I've talked about it extensively in other videos of mine, but do not forget the difference is that while developmental dyslexia is inborn, is inherited, acquired dyslexia can be, it is acquired, it could be as a result of tumor in the brain, it could be as a result of accident, rough place in school, it could be as a result of maybe aging, the death of cells that is known as apoptosis. It could be as a result of tumor in the brain. So, and dyslexia is extremely important to the fourth industrial revolution. The 21st century is known as the knowledge economy, and the ability to read is synonymous with success. That if you want to succeed in this knowledge-driven economy, you must be an individual who knows how to read, who knows how to write, and who knows how to speak. This impairment might really affect your socioeconomic success or trajectory in life. That is why my team and I we're so passionate about helping people, helping teachers, helping school owners, helping parents, to empower them and to give them information regarding dyslexia. So now, as the title goes, dyslexia and aphasia, how to protect children from school. Yes, based on years of experience, like I said, that I've taught for almost 2 decades, almost 20 years. I've lectured for some few years too, before I decided to leave the teaching environment to pursue academic consulting. I've observed that there are two areas that I want school owners, that I want parents, okay, to take cognizance of. Like during the break time, school owners should make sure that I'm not against play, but what I'm saying simply, I am against deadly and dangerous plays, okay, in playgrounds, especially during break. I've observed that during break, just because of when students actually get to school, okay, their adrenaline and cortisol level naturally would have been so high, so they get to the class, okay, and do not forget, learning is sometimes, okay, is stressful. So break time is like, okay, an opportunity for these kids, for these learners, for these students to unwind, okay, to relax, for that in-depth concentration in the class. So most of the you see them tapping, okay, each other or tapping one another and running. Okay, yes, running, laughing, okay, okay, those, okay, are ideal. But when students start hitting themselves, especially punching themselves in the head or fighting, okay, it could be dangerous. Let me quickly tell us this story. Okay, I know of a couple, highly educated. Okay, when their son was in primary school, the child had a kind of a brain injury. Okay, he was taken to the hospital, he was treated. But did you know that that injury later resulted, okay, the parents just observed that their smart kid, okay, could not spell when he got to that stage. He could not spell, he could not write. Okay, they took him to so many medical centers, but there was no solution. So, being educated and thank God that they had money, they flew this guy abroad. It was there, he was taken to a lab through the fMRI machine. It was discovered that the injury affected, okay, deeply, okay, some tissues, okay, in his brain, and that resulted, okay, in the acquired dyslexia that this boy was experiencing. So thank God for advanced technology. Okay, the problem was diagnosed and it was solved. So coming back, okay, to this lecture, or to this video, please let us tell our children, let us guide against them playing, okay, engaging in dangerous plays, okay, boxing, okay, heading football, okay, these leather balls, okay, at that age might affect, okay, the development, okay, of their brains. Okay, do not forget, neuroscience, okay, has shown that the prefrontal cortex, this part of the brain, look at it, okay, this part of the brain is the last, okay, to develop, to get fully matured, okay, in human beings, and it is the center, okay, of intelligence. It is the center, it is the neural basis of intelligence, of executive, okay, skills, okay, of attention, of reading, of critical thinking, of imagination, etc. So we must try and make sure that we guide against our children insulting that part of the brain, okay, that is responsible for their personality. So that is just one of the ideas, okay, of this video. Please help me and help our team, okay, spread this video. Okay, if you have any questions, you're free to really ask me. I am available. I will definitely answer your questions. Then during closing hours too, I've observed that during closing hours, children, learners, pupils are always excited. You see them carrying their bags, shouting. Okay, some will be running. Okay, maybe either to catch up with the school boys, okay, or to catch up with their dad and mom that have come to actually pick them. Some will be running dangerously, okay, on the staircase. Okay, all these are dangerous. We must try and create that brain consciousness, okay, in our worlds, in our children, in our students, and in our pupils, so that nothing, okay, would really affect their brains, because that is the pillar, okay, of their success. That is the foundation of their great destinies. So that is just the idea, okay, of this video. Thank you very much. If you know you have any questions, please drop them. Help me share this video, and I'm committed, okay, to helping people gather knowledge, okay, knowledge that are empowering, useful knowledge that will help their world excel, okay, in the future. Thank you. My name once again is Muiwa Didayo, and I shall definitely see you in the next video.